This is the best skid steer attachment you'll ever use.
A Harley rake, or power rake as it might be referred to, is just kind of like you going out with a hand rake in your yard whenever you're trying to pick up any debris. It's just giving those final nice looking touches to your project. This power rake is also good at providing some soil processing. So if you've got a site that you need to loosen that top layer of soil up to get ready for planting some vegetation, the tines on this will definitely give you the ability. Want to use it? We'll deliver it to you.